Hello, all, and welcome back to Jolly Good Journeys. Continuing on my Albanian adventure, today I'm in Blue Eye. It's a nature preserve around 35 kilometers from Gjirokastar. Let's go. Driving from Gjirokastar, the road twisted through hills, each hairpin revealing more of the rugged landscape that hid Blue Eye. On the way, I was delayed by some classic Albanian rush hour traffic. A flock of sheep crossing, bells tinkling softly as their shepherd waved me through. What felt like a delay became one of the day's best moments, perfectly capturing rural life's unhurried rhythm. The trail from the parking lot to Blue Eye was 30 minutes long. Up ahead lay the reward. The air already carried that particular coolness of approaching water hidden deep underground. Through the trees, glimpses of the impossible blue first appeared, then the full pool revealed itself, perfectly circular, glowing electric turquoise. The water flowed gently except at the center where the underground spring bubbled violently upward. Mist hung above like breath, rainbows flickering where sunlight hit spray. This wasn't just beautiful, it felt alive, like staring into the planet's glowing eye. Circling slowly closer, the blue deepened impossibly, crystalline at edges, turning violent cobalt where the spring erupted from 30 meters below. The water shimmered, surrounded by crowds, yet somehow still pristine. That center upwelling never paused, sending perfect rings across the surface. Sunlight refracted through mist created constant rainbows, while limestone cliffs framed the circle like nature's perfect canvas. No photograph could capture how the color shifted moment by moment. From Blue Eye, my next stop was Antigonia, an ancient Hellenistic city lost to time. The road wound through timeless rural scenes, horses grazing roadside, stone houses dotting hillsides. Each glimpse bridged Albania's natural wonders with the ancient human stories waiting ahead. Antigonia revealed itself humbly atop the hillside, just scattered stones and foundation fragments exactly as archaeologists found them. Weathered limestone blocks, some still showing tool marks, lay where they fell 2 millennia ago. No restoration, no reconstruction, simply the raw evidence of an ancient settlement that once bustled here. Thistles grew between cracks, reclaiming what time left behind. Blue Eye's sapphire to Antigonia's quiet stones. Nature's flash meets human fade. 4 days in, Albania reveals why it captivates beauty in presence and absence.